Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make chocolate mousse with yogurt. Begin by selecting good dark chocolate and plain Greek yogurt for a rich but tangy base. Melt the chocolate gently and let it cool slightly before folding in yogurt to avoid splitting. Whisk any egg whites or aquafaba to soft peaks and fold carefully for aeration. Chill the mousse to set, then serve with berries or a dusting of cocoa. Measure ingredients precisely and prepare mixie en place so the recipe flows smoothly. Chop the chocolate into small even pieces to melt uniformly and measure yogurt so it drains a little if too watery. If you prefer non-dairy, aquafaba works as an egg white substitute and whips to similar peaks. Keep bowls and utensils clean and cool to preserve aeration when folding components together for a silk. Melt chocolate slowly and allow it to cool to warm temperature before adding yogurt to prevent curdling. Stir a small spoonful of yogurt into chocolate first to temper it, then fold the rest in gradually using broad strokes. Add any flavorings like vanilla or liqueur with the yogurt so they distribute evenly. Finally, fold in whipped whites or aquafaba with gentle motion until no streaks remain, then portion and chill.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.